Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an oven-baked barbecue mustard ribs. Alright, so I already trimmed all my stuff up. These was already attached to this, and I just cut it, took my my cleaver and cut that up and trimmed this stuff up. So alright guys, this is what we're going to be working with today. Right here, get this little piece off of here. Just like so. So I always start with my back side first. Now what you could do here, you can take these, just pour it down the bone like so. Alright, now we're gonna come in here with some soy. This is what's gonna be my salt, like that. I'm just gonna rub that on there. I will leave you guys the ingredients in the description area, so you can use a brush if you guys don't want to use your hand and you think it's kind of messy for you. I'm used to cooking with my hands. A lot of people does, but like I said, you guys can use a brush or whatever. Alright, so that's my soy sauce. Then I'm gonna come in here with some garlic, and this is gonna be the same procedure on the other side, guys. I'm gonna come in here with some of this Kinder caramelized onion right here. Alright. And I'm gonna come in here with some of this black pepper. Like that. What else we got here? Come in here with some this Famous Dave rub. It's optional. Some smoked paprika. Just like that. And the mustard. You can get you some mustard. Then I'm just going to like finesse it a little bit. Come on the side. Alright. We'll flip it over and do the whole procedure again. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these, and I'll show you guys how they look before we put them in the oven. Alright. I'm just getting the most some of that stuff off my hand. I gotta wash it anyway, but anyways. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I'm gonna just show you how that looks after I got done prepping it up. So I did put some more smoked paprika on there. Alright. And I'm put this in the oven for an hour uncovered. Okay, when that start to crisp up and all that stuff get nice crust on it, then I'm gonna go ahead and put the other foil on top of that. And that's gonna be another foil right here. So alright guys, for about a good hour, these mustard baked ribs gonna be off the chain. Barbecue ribs. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. It's been cooking for an hour without the foil on there. As you see, the bone is coming away from the bone. So we're just gonna cook it some more. Throw that in the garbage. And I'm gonna wrap this up. So that's how that looks so far. So you guys can't really see that. But that's how it looks. I'm just go ahead and wrap these up and let them finish cooking. And we'll barbecue these bad boys up and show you guys what we got. Alright. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I had these cooking with the foil on for about 45 minutes. So anyway, we're just gonna put some barbecue sauce on this. We're just gonna brush it on here. Alright, do this one. We're just gonna cook this for another 10 minutes in the oven. Now normally I barbecue both sides. I will probably do this one, but this one I won't do because I want a lot of barbecue sauce. So, okay guys, go ahead and stick this back in the oven and I'll show you guys how it looks when it's done. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I am back. I'm finally done with this oven baked barbecue mustard ribs right here. Alright, show you that up close. Yeah, these are the rib tips right here. So yeah, we're gonna use all of that to make a decent sandwich. I can tell you that now. So anyway guys, that's right. That's my take on oven baked barbecue mustard ribs. Alright? So guys, if you like this video, please give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit this bell, just like so. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time after I take this bite. Forgot to give you guys a piece of that, didn't I? Alright, after I took a piece off, I'm coming around here and let you guys see it. Alright, there's your piece right there, guys. You can bite that right there. I'm rushing, I'm hungry, I ain't gonna even lie to you. Alright guys, so we're gonna bite into this. Ooh, we see fall off the bone. That is good. Like I said, with that soy sauce, do not put no salt on your meat, please. Because it got salt in that soy sauce. Alright? It is delicious. And juicy, guys. Guys, you gotta try this recipe. So I'm gonna see you guys next time on DOGG'S Kitchen. Much love.